That's what we have. Not that one. I come in here, take a little peeky poo, and look what we have. We have a banana that's ready. Our very first one. So this rack is almost done. Oh, it came off. Look at that. Ouch. First banana. Here, open this. Let's taste it. This is our very first banana. Oh, maybe it's not quite ripe yet.
No, it is. It's just a little rough in the beginning. Looks like a real banana.
It is a real banana.
You know what I mean.
Oh my God, look at this.
Just like a banana.
Hold it. Oh my gosh.
That's
It's sweet.
flavorful. Very sweet.
We have these. I don't suspect will be ready until spring, summer. But that rack that's buried in there, we will be eating in days. And this one is right after it. How exciting. Delicious.